I totally need your help. I have no idea what to do here. So Michael and I are going on a little weekend, a short little trip. I like to be very casual and comfortable when I travel. The Sling Bag is the absolute best for travel because it totally zips up. You can shove everything in it. Do we go navy for this classic chicness? But look at the lime. It's such an interesting, cool pop of color with all these neutrals. This is my off to the pool look. And although a tote may be more practical for beach reading, one will need a little tote for their phone, for their hotel key, for a little moolah, yes? So should I do chic neutral navy or luscious lime? This is more like I'm running around, just came back from the market. This is crazy good. It's so classically chic. The navy and the navy, right? You can't beat it. Oh, wait. Maybe you can. It's the fashion. It's the freshness. It's the Caribbean cool man. And here is my chic little dinner dress, which is, by the way, shh, Carla Rockmore, not allowed to talk about it, not allowed to talk about it, but look at her. And I mean, we're gonna need a little clutch, right? Do I go with neutral navy or do I go with hello sunshine? Why do I have to choose? Wait a minute, maybe I actually don't have to choose. The Carla Rockmore sling bag folds up so flat and so simply that I can just take both. No need to choose. How much do we love that? So go to carlarockmore.com, link in the bio.